Assalamu alaikum students of class 4. Today is Friday, 1st May 2020, and before starting today's lesson, let's recap that what was the diary on Thursday. On Thursday, I gave you to practice a comprehension worksheet. I'm sure आप सब ने वो correctly practice की होगी. Let's recap that what is the correct answer to the relevant question. Question number 3 and question number 4 was given to you to practice as homework. So let's see what is the correct answer. What was the first thing Beth counted? First, she counted her pennies. You see, I told you that आपने correct जो answers हैं passage के अंदर उनको ये color करना है. So you see, we have colored the statement yellow. हमने यहाँ पे अपने answer को yellow color कर लिया. Then question number 4, what does Beth decided to bring to class? And for this answer, we have to use green color. और आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे passage में हमने 100 jelly beans. आपने आई एम श्योर पैसेज को रीड किया होगा, स्कैन किया होगा और उसके बाद आप इसका करेक्ट आंसर यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे. शी डिसाइडेड टू ब्रिंग 100 जेली बीन्स एंड ऑन थर्सडे आई टोल्ड यू दैट यू विल राइट ओनली दीज क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर इन योर होमवर्क नोटबुक. आप ये पैसेज राइट नहीं करेंगे, आप ये पैसेज जो है इसको रीड करेंगे अपने नोट्स में. आपको पता है जिस ऐप पे आप वर्किंग कर रहे हैं उस ऐप में एक फोल्डर आता है नोट्स. आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग द डेट सिलेक्ट करने के बाद आपके पास वीडियो लेसन आता है एंड नोट्स आते हैं. तो नोट्स में आपको ये वर्कशीट मिलेगी, आप वहां से इसको डाउनलोड करेंगे, इसको रीड करेंगे और ओनली क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स राइट करेंगे अपनी नोटबुक पे. सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल कंप्लीट इट. आई एम श्योर आप सब ने इसको कंप्लीट किया होगा करेक्टली. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स टुडेज टॉपिक. Alright, today I'm going to teach you that how can you rephrase questions. कि आप questions को किस तरह से rephrase कर सकते हैं. So first of all, let's recap. First of all, हम ये review करेंगे that what are the questions. Questions क्या हैं? Alright, questions और उसको हम identify कैसे कर सकते हैं. How can we identify a question statement? We can identify questions by the question mark. एक quotation एक punctuation mark है जो हम use करते हैं at the end of a question. And वहाँ पे question words हैं, for example why, who, how, when, what. These are the words जो हमें बताते हैं कि ये question है. इसके अलावा now I'm going to show you a flashcard. Alright, now let's have a look at this one. Excuse me. Let's read this statement. The boy is smiling. The boy is smiling. You see, there is a full stop at the end of the sentence. Now, this is a sentence and now let's see कि हम इस sentence को different questions में कैसे form कर सकते हैं. Why is the boy smiling? You see the word why is written with red color, red ink. So, why is the boy smiling? When is the boy smiling? That's how ये हमने statement को two different questions में change किया. Then, do you know why the boy is smiling? You see at the end of each question there is a question mark. And we have used different question words. Why, when, do you know why the boy is smiling? So, first of all, we have to see that कि एक question के end पे question mark आएगा और हम different question words को use करके उसको rephrase कर सकते हैं. Rephrase means to उसको different types में, different styles में, different kinds में हम कैसे write कर सकते हैं. Why, when, do you know why? And similarly इसकी और भी question words हैं. For example, why, you see why, where, how, what, when. So here the vocabulary we are going to use in this one topic. Do you know why? Do you know means क्या आपको पता है, क्या आप जानते हैं. Why, where, how, what, when. Why, क्यों, where, कहाँ, how, कैसे, what, क्या, when, कब. So these are the words, these are the vocabulary words जिनको हम यूज करते हुए rephrase करेंगे अपने questions को. कि already हमसे कुछ questions पूछे जा रहे हैं और हम उन questions को rephrase कर रहे हैं और उनको different style से हम write कर रहे हैं. Alright, for this one I want you to open up your workbook. So please open up your workbook. Alright, workbook page number 8. Alright children, first of all write down the date. Friday 1st May 2020. Do you know why? Alright, here are few questions given to us on this page. Why is the boy smiling? Please highlight the question word why and the question mark. Why is the boy smiling? Where are the boy's friend? What is the boy hiding? So these are 3 questions and now we are gonna rephrase these questions. हम इनको rephrase करेंगे, इनको different style में write करेंगे. How? Let's see how can we do that. Do you know why the boy is smiling? Do you know where the boy's friends are? Do you know what the boy is hiding? So that's how we will rephrase these questions. हर एक के end पे आप देख रहे हैं at the end of the question हमारे पास क्या punctuation mark use हुआ है? Question mark. Alright. And हमने क्या add किया है? Do you know why, where, what? Why, where, what? और हमने इसको इस तरह से rephrase किया है. So similarly, change these questions in the same way. Here are some questions given to us. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ questions दिए हुए हैं और हमें उन्हें similarly rephrase करना है, उनको change करना है. कैसे? By adding do you know. Alright, so let's see how can we do that. Where is the post office? Now we add do you know? Do you know where the post office is? Similarly, आप यहाँ पे highlight कर लेंगे do you know where and at the end of the statement question mark. Let me show you closely. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे question mark write करेंगे, आप इसको भी highlight करेंगे and do you know where इसको भी, because यहाँ पे emphasis किस पे है? Rephrasing the question. हमने question जो एक given है उसको vocabulary, by using the vocabulary हमने उसको rephrase करना है. So we can learn that how can we change a question into different ways and how a question can be asked in different ways. B. What is the postmaster's name? Do you know what the postmaster's name is? C. We have where does the postmaster live? Do you know where the postmaster live? D. What does the postmaster do? Do you know what the postmaster does? Alright, now E we have when does the postmaster come to the post office? Do you know when the postmaster comes to the office? This one is the long sentence, so आपने इसको यहाँ पे adjust करके write करना. आप देख रहे हैं ये this one is really a long one. You see? So, do you know when the postmaster comes to the office? So that's how we will rephrase the questions. A, B, C, D, E and F, G, H is to be practiced as homework. So let's take a look at the diary. Alright, today's diary is practice to rephrase questions as homework workbook page number 8, F, G, H. So this one part of the workbook, F, G, H is your homework. You will complete these 3 questions by rephrasing these as homework. So in today's lesson, let's recap, let's review what have we learned today. Alright, today we have learned how a question can be asked in different ways and how can we rephrase a question. By using the vocabulary do you know why, do you know where, do you know how, do you know what, and do you know when. Alright, so thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.